one another chapter, that is Palimon or prawn. That is, prawn fishery is one of the industry in the many countries. It is a seafood, so it is found in sea. ठीक है ना। तो जिन्ने भी ਆਪਾਂ देखने ਆ ना सी ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਆਈਲੈਂਡਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ we found this food and they take this food with very deliciously. मतलब they are fond of prawns. Prawn is ate as a food, delicious food in many countries, in our country also, who are the carnivorous. This palimon or prawn, that is belongs to phylum Arthropoda. This is the structure of palimon or prawn. Clear hai? The difference between Arthropoda class Insecta and this belongs to class Crustacea. In difference between Crustacea and Insecta is that like in cockroach, body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Here in crustaceans, head and thorax, they are jointed one. Like in this diagram you can also see, this is head and thorax is jointed. This is called cephalothorax. This part is called cephalothorax. Its name indicate cephalo means head portion, thorax means thorax. So it has a jointed head and thorax, and another part is abdomen. Clear? This is regarding the basic difference between the Insecta and Crustacea of phylum Arthropoda. The meaning of Arthropoda is jointed legs. That also has jointed legs, 3 pair of legs. They also have these jointed pods. Number of jointed pods. Clear hai? Now start with the Palimon's habits. As the name indicate, it is a seafood, so it live in sea, water, sea. Otherwise it is some species also live in fresh water like ponds, lakes. They live in base, bottoms. Next is habits. Habits are what? First is they are the nocturnal one. What are the nocturnal? Who live, they are active at night. Active for food. क्योंकि shelter तो उन्हें कोल already है ही है जिथे रह रहे हैं at the bottom of the water. Then is the next is clear. Next is dual type of locomotion. When they walk with the legs. These are the legs. When they swim with leopods. PL लिखे देने leopods, which is present in the abdominal portion. Or these another name of leopard, PL, its P is silent one. PLEOPODS. Leopards, they are also called swimmerets. Why they are called swimmerets? Because they help in swimming. They help in swimming. So these are called the swimmerets. Next is feeding. They are the carnivorous. They are the omnivorous as well. Carnivorous is their preferable food, but they are omnivorous. समुंदर च बच्चे खान पीन नू जानवर किन्ने ही हैं, preferably so they are the carnivorous. The preferable food, they take the algae, fungi and small insect and small larvae of insects. Next is the respiration. As it is live in water, so respiration is, can anybody tell? Branchial respiration, which is with help of gills. Next is defense. Defense, ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਕੜਨ ਆਂਦਾ ਹੈ, they can move easily, ਉਹਦੇ ਹੱਥੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, escaping, or they can undulating like this. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਹੱਥੋਂ ਪਕੜਿਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਣਾ ਫਟਾਫਟ, ਉਲਟਬਾਜੀ ਜੀ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਇਜ਼ ਇਨ ਐਮਰਜੈਂਸੀ ਚ ਹੋ ਜੂ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਆਪਣੇ they can lose these parts. ਕਿਹੜੇ ਵਾਲੇ? jointed parts, pods. They lose the jointed pods and again they can form that legs. ठीक है, this is called self amputation. SELF, self, अपने आप, amputations, AMPUTATION, self amputation. That means autotomy. Autotomy means they can self generate its part by this method. केड़ा लिखा सी? Self amputation. I think clear. Male and female, they are the separate one. They can sexual dimorphism is there. Sexual dimorphism means they can identify externally like us. ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਮੇਲ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਹੈ. They can identify their self by this second chelating leg. ਇਹ ਵਾਲੀ लिखा था उन्होंने, this large one, second chelating leg. ये लंबी हुंदी है in case of male. In case of male, it is a long and strong as compared to female. Clear? They can externally identify it. They are oviparous. Oviparous means they lay the eggs, and eggs, they are present here. You can find between the lower portion and between the two parts of the abdomen. जिस तरह ਇਹ parts हो गए दो, ਇੱਥੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਦੇਖ ਲੋਗੇ, abdomen ਦੇ small brownish color round structures which is called the eggs. You can find them. After this you can see from this is second chelating leg. कितनी लंबी है ਇਹਦੀ, ठीक है। ਇਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਣਾ later on. I think habits are clear. Now next is external morphology. Most of the time they are the elongated and spindle shaped. They are elongated and spindle shaped. (22, 25 to 40 centimeter length. Some species are smaller, but our species which is in Slabi, that is that has this much length, 25 to 40 centimeter. The species which is present in our Slabi, that is the Palemon, Melco, lemonisni. लिखो स्पेलिंग PALAEMON MALCOLMSONI structure. It is you can see from this diagram, it is creamish brown, but earlier when they are live one, they are grayish in color with some brown patches. Here by it is a preservative in the formalin, its color is changed into brownish little bit, whitish brownish. Next is its body. I have already told you that this body is divided into two parts. One is the cephalothorax, another is the abdomen. Total 19 segments are there. How much? 19. 5 of head region, 5 of head region, 8 of thoracic region, and the rest 6. लिखा था 1 2 3 4 5 6 of the abdomen region. हो गए 19. Clear है? 5 of head region. No doubt head and thorax is fused, but है ते है ना उन्होंने अपने. Head is of 5 segment and thorax has 8 and then is 6. 13 जमा 6 19. ठीक है जी. Now start with this first part. Or important thing, each segment has some appendages with them. Each segment has appendages. हर segment च एक pair appendages होंदे हैं which have different names. The pores, later on we will do in detail that all parts, that all appendages we will do in later on in next lecture. Next, first is pores. First pore, that is mouth, and mouth is present in the head region. It is the anterior portion, because just below this there is present pore. That pore, slit like pore. Slit is like this. Slit like pore. This slit like pore that has on the upper side surrounded by mouth is surrounded by on the upper portion labium, lower on the labrum, and in the center mandibles, like in cockroach. Mandibles, clear, which help in mastication the food. Upper portion that help in upper portion is upper lip and labium, lower is labrum. I think clear these all parts. Then next is anus. Anus is on the lower portion, that is just below the Telson portion. Just below the Telson, last segment, which is harder one, एंड पॉइंटेड ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਹੈ एनस आई थिंक क्लियर नेक्स्ट इज होर केड़े पोर हो सकते हैं एक्सक्रीटरी पोर्स दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द वन appendages in the near portion. We will do later on all the parts in detail, then we will tell you the at the coxa of the antennae excretory pore is present at the write down at the coxa part of the antennae. What is antennae? This is a one appendages, one type of appendages. These are also in the practicals also. These appendages, they are also in practical also. So do it seriously. Then is next genital pores. As male, they have genital pore. They are also present in pore that is also present in the one appendages. And female genital pore, they also have in the coxa pore like structure that is called the female genital pore. In male it is male genital pore, in case of female it is a female genital pore. I think pores are clear. Then is the now focus on this structure. Now this body is divided into two parts. First is this portion head, total this head and thorax which is jointed, and this is called the what is called abdomen. I think clear everyone. Next, this head portion and lower behind portion, this is called the carapace. Thoracic portion is called the carapace, and anterior portion is called dorsal lamina. This portion that is called the dorsal sheet or dorsal lamina. Write down its name, dorsal lamina. This is dorsal sheet. Or this portion dorsal sheath, or this is called the carapace, or this is abdomen which is separate from it. This total portion, this total is covered by a one shielding part. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ carapace. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ dorsal वाला ਦੱਸਿਆ, that is a just below this. ठीक है, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਪਰ ਲੱਭਣ ਡਿਆ ਟੋਟਲ ਪੂਰਾ ਦਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਸ਼ੀਲਡ ਲਾਈਕ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ, ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਦਾ carapace. Clear है? On the interior portion you can see there is present one pointed structure which is broader here and narrow away from jointed portion. This is little bit triangular and spine like, or they have number of tikhe spine like structures. This is called serrated. इस तरह का पोर्शन नू की कहने आ serrated, SERRATE, serrate. Clear है? This is serrated portion that is called the rostrum. कंडे या तो नैचुरली कादे वास्ते होएगा, कोई फड़े तो उन्होंने कंडे चुबो है ना, तिखे तिखे. और this is the this all structures which is brownish, you can see from here also that is a harder one, or form the exoskeleton. They form the exoskeleton ताकि अंदर protected रहन, ठीक है. Upper portion is called sterna, terga, lower terga ते side ते pleura, like in cockroach. We have seen exoskeleton which is parted. हर एक segment दा अपना hard portion हुंदा है, upper भी ते lower भी, फिर अगले च upper भी ते lower भी, और कट्ठा मिलके एक दूसरे दे नाल जुड़ा किस तरह हुंदा देखो. These are called the sclerites. What it is called? Sclerites, जिन्हें hard portion है, और ये आपस च इस तरह जुड़े दे सारे. Clear है? In abdominal portion in this case, क्योंकि upper portion ते सारा जुड़े दा ही है. Head and thorax, that is called swallothorax. You can't identify it properly, but these you can identify it externally as well as. These are jointed like this. Clear है? दो आपस दे विच sclerite. Sclerite के आगे hard portion, जेड़े की किदे कलर दे बने दे है? Brownish and waxy. They are brown pigment and wax दे बने दे जिदे करके hard है. That is called the exoskeleton. ध्यान नाल समझो हुन, ए आपस दे विच sclerites, they are attached like this. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਲੀ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਲੇਅਰ ਆਪਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਟੈਚ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ. ਇਹ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਦੇ ਹਾਰਡ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਸ 'ਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਆ ਗਈ? ਪਤਲੀ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਪਤਲੀ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਲੇਅਰ. ਜੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਸਖਤ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੋਏ, ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਫਿਰ? ਬੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ. ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਇਹ ਬਾਜੂ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੀ ਬੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ? ਜੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੋਂ. ਸੋ ਇਟ ਕੈਨ ਬੈਂਡ. अगर जी ए भी जॉइंट ना होए तो आप किस तरह रहेंगे? वी कैन लिव लाइक दिस. वी कैन बेंड आवर. क्लियर है? देयर शुड बी बिटवीन द टू हार्ड पोर्शन देयर शुड बी सम फ्लेक्सिबल पोर्शन. द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी is due to that portion only, not by these. Exoskeleton means sclerites. Clear है? Any doubt? Next are the sclerites. पता लग गया? ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ sclerites ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ? That is called the carapace. Carapace हो गया ना अगले पोर्शन च, कट्ठा ही बेटा, कट्ठा ही है ना. तो यह अलग अलग abdominal sclerites. इनू की कहांगे? carapace sclerites. Carapace और sclerites. I think clear? Next write down. First portion of carapace or sclerite is called dorsal sheet, जिन्हों आप सेकंड नेम उहदा लिखा हुआ है एवली. इत्थे मैं हुणे लिखिया सी डॉर्सल शीट. क्लियर? पिछले वाला दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टर्नल प्लेट, स्टर्ना पार्ट. just below the rostrum there is present another this stalk like structure at the stalk like structure which is fit. जिस तरह ए वह बाँ, ठीक है ना, ए किसी किदे विच फिट होएगी, कोई नोच होएगी ओदे विच फिट होएगी. at the end of it there is present one round blackish structure that is called the compound eye. It's a compound eye, one pair here, another pair is on the another side, like you can see from this. This is rostrum, this is center च rostrum. तिखा तिखा लभदा पिया ना, चाकू दे तिखे तिखे ओदे वंगर, और साइड च देखो एट द वन ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एट द एंड ऑफ दैट देयर इज प्रेजेंट वाइट ब्लैकिश स्पॉट दैट इज इट्स आई वन पेयर ऑफ आई one is on this side another is on this side or in the center rostrum is one clear है next appendage is चलो मोटा मोटा पहला करने हैं फिर मैं तुहानू वन बाय वन डायग्रामेटिकली समझानी है केड़े केड़े है then is next is there is present ए वाला this one which is called the antenna that has a flagella like structure clear then is antennulae kede kede hai antenna antennulae eye compound eye rostrum these are all the what are these are called the appendages which is present in the cephalothorax portion. First is called sternal part or that is called sternal sclerotic STERNAL sternal sclerotic अच्छा जे असी ए हार्ड पोर्शन नू उपरों उठाइए नीचे सानू जो भी दिखेगा उन्होंने की कहांगे ब्रेंकियोसैजिटल रीजन विच रीजन ब्रेंकियोसैजिटल लेट इट बी स्पेल ब्रेंकियोसैजिटल इत्थे स्टर्ना पार्ट दिस इज कॉल्ड ब्रेंकियोसैजिटल और इट इज कॉल्ड द गिल कवर as its name is gill cover so it is covered with gills clear so just below here just inside it there is present gills or in the gill region there are present देखो first second third fourth fifth there are present 5 pair of legs केड़े वाला रीजन आ गया thoracic region एन की प्रेजेंट है 5 पेयर ऑफ legs ये जड़ियाँ 5 पेयर ऑफ legs है one is on the left side another is on the right side जड़ी first है there are 2 type of legs one is chelating legs other are the non chelating chelating केड़ियाँ आ गया ध्यान नाल समझनी है विच है लाइक दिस स्ट्रक्चर मीनस देयर स्ट्रक्चर इज लाइक दिस जदों कोई भी इन्हों पकड़न आंदा है उन्होंने कटते हैं इस तरह कैंची वंगर सो इट इज कॉल्ड द कीलेट पहलियां दो कीलेटिंग और पिछलियां वालियां दैट इज कॉल्ड द नॉन कीलेटिंग पहलियां दो कीलेटिंग अगलियां 3 नॉन कीलेटिंग दे हेल्प इन डिफेंस एज वेल एज वॉकिंग पिछलियां वालियां ते वॉकिंग च अगलियां वालियां डिफेंस टू कोई आएगा तो उन्होंने पकड़न गया और इन्हां दे टुटन दा डर ज़्यादा हुंदा फिर इहदी जगह ते दोबारा बन जाती है इन केस ऑफ मेल दिस लैग इज लॉन्गेस्ट केड़े वाली सेकंड वाली ऐसे करके सेक्चुअल डाइमॉर्फिज्म मैं लिखाया सी सेक्चुअल डाइमॉर्फिज्म मीन्स लिख लो डेफिनेशन बाय विच वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई मेल एंड फीमेल एक्सटर्नली कितनी बारी तो लिखाया बेटा समझा भी तो सेक्चुअल मीन्स सेक्सिस बेसिस ते डाई मीन्स दो मॉर्फिज्म मीन्स मॉर्फोलॉजिकली मीन्स एक्सटर्नली देन इज 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 6 segments of abdomen. You can see clearly six segment of abdomen. Here you can see 6 segments. लभदे भी है, ठीक है। अच्छा, बड़ी मज़ेदार गल है, जदों इन्हों डर लगता ना, ये अपना वाला पोर्शन ये अंदर जाके छुपा देंगे, कट्ठे जे हो जाते हैं, तो इदा लगता कोमा जहा बन गया वा, ठीक है। इस तरह लगता पे ना कोमा जहा बन गया, तो वह लभदा नहीं कि अपने वालों की करता है, अपने आप को डिफेंड करता है, शील्ड कर लेंदा कि ये अंदर छुपा के। नाउ अगेन दीज आर द सक्लीराइट्स। ए एक सक्लीराइट है, मैं दस्या सी ना हुणे ही, ए एक सक्लीराइट, फिर उहदे नाल ही दूसरा सक्लीराइट, फिर तीसरा। तो जिहड़ी इन्हां नूं आपस च पतली जिन्नी मैमरेन बोलते हैं, उन्होंने की कहने आर्थ्रोपोडियल मैमरेन। की कहने उन्होंने आर्थ्रोपोडियल मैमरेन। लिखो, जिदे करके इन्हां दी बेंडिंग पॉसिबल है। आर्थ्रोपोडियल मैमरेन, ए ते हार्ड स्ट्रक्चर है, जिहड़ी वो जोड़ दियो, दैट इज़ ए सॉफ्टर वन। नैक्सट इज पहला सैगमेंट, दैन उहदे नाल अटैच्ड है सैकेंड सैगमेंट, और इत्थे तिखा जिहा पॉइंटेड स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट हुंदा, दैट overlap the third one overlap the fourth one is overlapped by fifth is by the sixth, and last of sixth there is present one hard structure that is called the telson or its tail. This is a harder one, pointed structure that is called the telson. On the lower side, ventral side, there are present 1 2 3 4 5 इस तरह करके की प्रेजेंट होंगे 5 पेयर ऑफ लियोपोड्स, 5 पेयर ऑफ लियोपोड्स। लास्ट वाला ये तो 5 हो गए ना, ये वाले हर सैगमेंट से एक होंगे, तो जोड़ा 6th वाला है वो लोअर साइड थे, 6th वाला लोअर साइड थे, और इनू कहने आ यूरोपोड। नियर द टेल, टेल्सन दे इंटरनली यूरोपोड, नो डाउट इज ए लियोपोड बट इट्स नेम इज यूरोपोड, और इट हेल्प इन स्विमिंग। जिस तरह असीं देखने आ किश्ती जब चलाते हैं ना, वो हैंडल नूं अद्धा अद्धा करते हैं, तो पिछे एक अद्धा अद्धा होंदा ना प्रोपैलर जिहा, वो इहदा काम करता है, पानी नूं प्रोपैल करन दा। समझ आ गया मेरी गल? चलाई है ना वो बोटिंग वाली अद्धा करके, उहदी असीं डायरैक्शनस चेंज करने आ, तो उधर नूं चला जाता, और इहदे पिछे एक लोहे जिहे दा प्रोपैलर हुंदा, वो अद्धा अद्धा करदा। दैट वर्क इज़ डन बाय यूरोपोड। I think this structure is clear to everyone. Any doubt regarding this? Now we will do the all appendages which is present in the head portion. The appendages which is present in the head portion, जिवें एंटीना, एंटीन्यूली, मैक्सिल्यूली, मैक्सिला, मैंडिबुलरिस, these are the different parts. They are present in the head portion, that is called the cephalic appendages. Cephalic appendages, the appendages which is present in the thoracic region like legs, they are called the thoracic appendages, and the leopods which is present in the abdominal portion, they are called the abdominal ਅਪੈਂਡਿਸਿਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਹੈ they are called swimmerets and leopods last वाला euro clear है these are all pods and first one ਹੁਣੇ मैं बोलिया रोस्टम तो नीचे जिन्ने कंपाउंड आई एंटीना एंटीन्यूली मैक्सिला मैक्सिल्यूली सारे आंदे स्ट्रक्चर्स we will do in detail and sclerotics write down the sclerotics they both sclerotics dorsal side they are called the terga upperle passe they are called terga scleroids ਦੀਆਂ ਹੁਣ ਸ਼ਰੇ अलग अलग parts ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇਹ देखो इधर समझो ਇਹ मान लो प्रॉन है ਇਹਦਾ ਉੱਪਰਲੀ हार्ड कवरिंग terga लोअर वाली हार्ड कवरिंग स्टर्ना और दिस इज कॉल्ड द प्लूरा साइड्स वाले आई थिंक क्लियर टर्गा स्टर्ना एंड प्लूरा पर टोटल है की हो गया स्क्लेरोटिक टोटल नु की कहांगे स्क्लेरोटिक क्लियर है थैंक यू नेक्स्ट